Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus: which of the following pair of organisms exhibit parasitic association? First, let's understand what we mean by parasitic association. A parasitic association is one in which one organism, the parasite, lives off another organism, which is the host. It is usually harming it, that is, it is harming the host and possibly causing death. Okay, so the parasite lives on the body of the host or in the body. Okay, so now let's look at the given answer option. Option A, insect and plant. Insects such as bees depend on nectar and pollen from plant as food, while the plants are dependent on the insect for taking pollen to other plants of the same species to affect cross-fertilization. So both organisms benefit from the relationship, which has been termed mutualism. So this is different from parasitic association, so this answer option is wrong. Option B, cattle and egret. Cattle egret follow grazing cows, okay, or grazing cattle, and they eat flies and bugs that tend to bother the cattle. Okay, and this type of relationship is called symbiotic relationship. So this is different from the parasitic relationship. So this answer option is wrong. Option C, shark and remora. The shark and remora relationship benefits both species because the remoras are able to eat scraps of prey dropped by the shark, and they also feed off parasites on the shark's body and in its mouth. Okay, so this relationship both benefit both the shark and the remora. So this is far from parasitic association. Okay, so let's look at the last option. Option D, testes fly. Cattle are bitten by blood-sucking testes fly, and this make most livestock to be susceptible to diseases caused by these blood-sucking testes fly, and these can lead to the death of the cattle. Okay, good. So this is a typical example of a parasitic relationship that is harming and even causing death of the host. Okay, so this answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.